Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to write a super simple and fun Python function that replaces all vowels in a string with a vowel of your choice. Let's see how to code this. Define a function called vow_replace that takes two inputs, a string and a vowel. Step 2, inside the function, create a string of all vowels. Vowels equals sign, aeiou. Step 3, create an empty string called result. Step 4, loop through each character in the input string. Step 5, if the character is a vowel. Step 6, return the final result. This function is useful for text manipulation and also a fun way to practice loops and conditionals in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your Python buddies. See you in the next video. Keep coding.